Alright guys, 2014 Crown Royal Divisional, box break number 3. The teams have been selected. Here's a list of the teams, or divisions. T. Schaefer, AFC North. S. Smith, AFC East. F. Smith, NFC West. T. Schaefer, AFC South. S. Smith, NFC North. E. Batista, AFC West. E. Batista, NFC East. And S. Smith, NFC South. Those are the teams, guys, our divisions. Good luck. Here we go. What's going on, Anthony? Sealed box. See the wrapping across. Good luck to everyone. I think the last time, Mike, Mike was were you in the last break and I pulled you that Teddy Bridge? Was that you? I'm not sure. I think it was. I'm not sure. 4 packs. Let's see. I'm gonna put these at the bottom. I think that's where it hits. All right, here we go. Good luck. DeMarcus Lawrence, Jeremy Maclin, Keenan Allen, and the first hit for the Texans. That's going to AFC South. T. Schaefer, Jadeveon Clowney patch, or jersey looks like, yeah. Numbered 426 of 499. And Jimmy Graham, I want to say this is a Master Craftsman's card. Yes, not numbered. All right, here we go. Next pack. Zach Mettenberger. Alfred Blue refract. Well, I guess it's a foil. I think it's numbered. Yeah. 187 out of 189 for the Texans. Vernon Davis, Cordero Patterson, and for the Dolphins, Matt Hazel. Matt Hazel. His card's numbered 206 to 299. No spacer. Oh, freaking points. Man. Alright, Paul Richardson, Seattle. Rashad Hagman, numbered 163 out of 199. Come on. Focus, focus. And I'm gonna random off them points at the end of the break. CJ Spiller, Ryan Matthews, and 150 points. 150. Alright, last pack, guys. Good luck. Ted Bolzer, the Gronk, Jock Bell Gold. What are these numbers? 6 out of 99. Jock Bell. And the last hit. Oh, Kings of Court Steelers. Le'Veon Bell, Antonio Brown, Big Ben Roethlisberger. And for the Bucks, Charles Sims. Oh, that was a weak box. Holy shit. That was a weak box. Alright, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to randomize the points. I mean the 150 right now. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to keep the list of names on the randomizer as they are right now. And then I'm going to roll the dice right here to see how many times I'm going to randomize the list that we have right now. Okay? Jesus. 12 times. Alright. Alright, 12 times. So that's going to be 22 at the end. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. Top person gets it. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 2 more times. 1, and last but not least, 2. That's Smith. Congratulations, you got the points.